Make a great choice today with the 2021 Atlas Cross Sport. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, CarNet satellite communications, child safety locks, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport screams luxury with its eloquent exterior body lines and its plethora of interior features. This is surely a vehicle you'll want to take a look at. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.